The healthy side of processed foods. Processed foods can actually be healthier than their non processed alternatives. For instance, in the States and Europe, we consume lots of corn flour, but this corn flour isn't the same as the societies who have eaten it traditionally for centuries. In industrialized countries, we remove the outer hull and germ of the corn husk, then use rollers to grind the kernels into a fine powder. But in traditional cultures, they bake all the parts of the corn in lime water, making the corn flour much more nutritious and much more easily to digest. We call this masa harina, but this just translates directly to corn flour in Spanish. Compared to industrialized corn flour, masa harina contains more protein, higher amounts of niacin or B3, increased calcium content, and decreased levels of phytic acid, a known anti-nutrient. We don't rely largely on corn as one of our primary food sources anymore, so it's not a huge deal for most of us. But this actually caused the pellagra epidemic in southern Europe in the late 1800s as a result of diets lacking niacin. And it's not just corn. How many gluten-free people can eat sourdough, which contains up to 90% less gluten?